Best pool tables for your home and game room. Number 1. Best Slate Playcraft Rio Grande 8-foot slate pool table. Installation. Professional installation not included, but recommended. Design. The Playcraft Rio Grande combines rustic styling, weathered hardwood, artisan joinery, and steel features to create a popular transitional design. Weathered finish. The hardwoods used are distressed and receive a weathered finish, which provides a sense that reclaimed wood was used to build the table. The finish is applied by hand to create the desired characteristic of color variability between components for this popular design statement. Premium slate. The 3-piece slate system consists of one thick-backed slate that has been book-matched and each piece honed to 1/1000th of an inch. The leveling hardware allows for micro-adjustments during installation. Included. Choice of 21 cloth colors and 1-year warranty against manufacturing defects. For billiards purists, a slate table is the only way to go. This pool table combines rustic style with top-of-the-line craftsmanship. The slate top is made of 3 pieces of 1-inch thick slate, each piece honed to fit within 1/1000th of an inch. Built in leveling hardware allows installers to get a perfectly even surface. Customize the table to fit your decor by choosing from one of 25 cloth colors. At 850 pounds and over $4,300, this table is one of the costliest and heaviest on our list. And while it doesn't require professional installation, Playcraft recommends it. Brand Playcraft Color Brown, Black Material Wood Product Dimensions, 100 O'Neill X57U X33 Sport, Billiards, item weight, 850 pounds assembly required, yes, base material, wood frame material, wood frame material, wood frame material, wood top material type slate. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Number 2. Best overall Hathaway Augusta 8-foot pool table. Players who enjoy the rich look of a traditional wood pool table should consider this 8-foot model from Hathaway. This table doesn't just look pretty, it's made for serious players. It has 4.5-inch solid maple hardwood rails tournament-style gum rubber cushions and pockets that drop into ball, and claw legs with adjustable levelers. The MDF play surface is designed to be both flat and stable, and it's covered with a wool nylon felt blend. The table comes with 16 regulation-sized balls, 2 pool cues, a 2-piece bridge stick, racking triangle, bridge head, rail brush, and chalk. Classically designed, featuring an elegant maple veneer with a multi-step furniture finish, and complemented by traditional ball and claw feet, the Augusta 8-feet billiard table has timeless style. It's the perfect addition to your basement, man cave, or game room. Superior craftsmanship. This handsome pool table is crafted from solid 1 in thick engineered wood and solid maple, an impact resistant anchoring system, 4 in wide finger jointed support beams, and steel gusset and transition plates ensure the structural integrity of the Augusta for friendly competition for years to come. Premium accessories includes everything you need to host the ultimate game night. This complete billiard kit comes with 6 precision-engineered regulation-size 214 in balls, 257, in 2-piece cue sticks, an aluminum bridgehead, a 2-piece cue sticks, an aluminum bridgehead, a 2-piece bridge stick, a racking triangle, a rail brush, and felt matching cue choke. 180-day warranty. Your table comes with a 180-day manufacturer warranty. We promise that it will arrive damage-free with all necessary parts and accessories, sport type, billiards. Note that the product requires full assembly, which isn't included in the cost, and that it weighs over 350 pounds, so it's a project best tackled with a friend or two. Number 3. Best modern design. Barrington Billiards Company, urban 8-foot pool table. As one reviewer said, you don't normally use gorgeous and pool table in the same sentence, but this one is a design standout. The perfect addition to any high-end game room, this pool table is made of birchwood veneer with concrete look legs. The manufactured wood-playing surface is covered with professional-grade wool felt. The set includes leg levelers, a table brush, drop pockets, balls, cues, and chalk. While the sleek look comes with a high price tag, more than 90% of reviewers rated 4 stars and up. Brand Barrington Billiards color black material wood product, dimensions 95.50 x 53.5U x 32 sport type billiards. Item weight 298.1 pounds. Assembly required yes number of players 4 base material metal frame material wood. Competition size table. This 8 urban collection billiard table is designed for competitive action with a tournament size playfield. It ships with mostly pre-assembled components and all the accessories you need for a classic game of pool. Craftsmanship. The top rail and apron of this table are made of MDF and birchwood veneer with a rich painted oak finish. The one thick 25mm playing surface is made of engineered wood, providing a smooth surface for performance play. Playing surface, a ball roll. The 84x42 playfield of this parlor-style leather drop pocket table is cloth-covered in a 50s wool felt blend with rubber 66 bumpers for a smooth ball roll of the included 2.25 pool ball set. Room size assembly. The playfield mainframe and box legs are pre-assembled. The assembly process has relatively few steps to attach the leg structure. The recommended room size is 17.5x14 to allow for cue stick movement around the table. Accessories included. This pool table comes with a complete set of billiard accessories to start playing right away and includes one set of 2.25 billiard balls, 257 cue sticks, 1 triangle, 2 chalks, and 1 brush. Number 4. Best Outdoor Table Imperial 8-foot outdoor pool table. Are you looking for a pool table to complete your outdoor oasis? With an anodized aluminum frame and legs, a formica and resin bed, and waterproof fabric, the Imperial 8-foot outdoor pool table is made to weather the elements. Built in leg levelers, allow you to stabilize the table on any surface. It comes with 2 cues, balls, chalk, a triangle, and a table cover. While the table comes mostly assembled, just bolt on the legs. Level it and it's ready to play. Reviewers noted that, at over 800 pounds, it takes 4 adults to carry the table and flip it upright after assembling. Brand Imperial. Color brown. Material polyester. Aluminum. Product dimensions 98.25L x 54.25U x 31.5 sport type billiards. Item weight 370 kilogram. Assembly required yes. Base material aluminum. Frame material aluminum. Top material type aluminum polyester resin. About this item. 8 fort outdoor pool table. Mostly assembled. Just bolt on the legs and level to the surface. Anodized aluminum rails and aluminum corners and legs. Bed is covered in camel color. Waterproof Taclon cloth. Number 5. Best Foldable GoSports Mid-Size Foldable Pool Table. GoSports 6-foot and 7-foot portable billiards table. Enjoy classic billiards at home. Fully portable mid-size table. Compactly stores until play. Fold-out leaves for instant setup. Great for competitive games. Perfectly sized for indoor use. Entertain guests and easily store after. Ultra-stable, heavy-duty steel frame. Premium red felt for smooth gameplay. Complete set includes 16 balls. Includes 1 ball rack. Includes 2 57-inch cues. Includes 2 cue chalk. Includes 1 premium brush. GoSports billiard sizes and colors. 6-foot blue, 6 feet red, 6 feet black, 7 feet blue, 7 feet red, 7 feet black. GoSo 16. Reviews of GoSports mid-size foldable pool table. Kelly Rebori has written for national brands like HTV, Zillow, and Paintson for more than a decade. She loves home renovation projects, chocolate icing, and small poodles. She and her husband split the year between their homes in Tennessee and Italy.